fun for drop top tees. And I'm here for a quick video that probably won't really apply to a whole lot of you, but for the people who have changed the strut brace on the Abarth, or for people who have added the strut brace to the Classica Lusso, here's a heads up on what you can expect when you change the spark plugs on your Spider. For people who have the Abarth, it comes stock with a front strut brace. This is Saxy, and she has, this is the stock OEM strut brace. You can see how this middle link, you just undo 2 bolts, undo 2 nuts, and this will lift off, which is important because when you change your spark plugs, you can reach 1, 2, and 3, but number 4 is right underneath this center piece. And so if you have the stock brace on the Abarth, you just undo 2 nuts, you can lift it off, change your spark plug, put that back down, pretty simple. However, this is Itzy, our Classica, and I changed the engine cowling so I could get these studs, and we put a Cusco strut brace on it. It's welded. This is a little bit more stout than the OEM one. This is welded, you just can't lift that middle piece off. And you can see right here, because I have the Alfa Romeo 4C coil packs on it, 1, 2, and 3, simple. Number 4 is directly underneath here. In order to get to number 4 and change the spark plugs, I have to be able to take this off. You do not have to take it all the way off. So here's what you need to do. You take off the nuts, the 3 mounting nuts on here, and you also want to loosen up this nut so it can swivel, okay? You take the nuts off, both the studs back here, and over on the other side, you take off the 3 main nuts and these 2. Now, you don't have to take it all the way off and out. Now, at this point, you can just lift it up a little bit, and then the top will swivel. You lift it up enough that this will swivel off. I usually take these, come loose. Over on that side, they can just stay on the post, the studs. I don't have to pull it all the way off. So you lift it up, change them, line these over the holes, put everything back down, screw your nuts back down. Do not forget to tighten these back up, okay? And you're done. But just something to think about if you're putting on a front brace or upgrading the one on an Abarth, it will cause you to do a little bit of extra work when you have to change your spark plugs, because you won't be able to get to that number 4 cylinder spark plug without loosening this up and taking it part way off. There you go. Like the video, thumbs up, hit subscribe. Have a good day, guys.